All right, y'all. Today we are going to cast play button for my friend over at Brux Art. He just passed 500 subscribers, so I think this will be a cool little gift for him. And I'll show you what it looks like when we get it finished, and you guys get to see how I make these. So yeah, follow along as we go. All right, you guys are back, and I'm gonna put all the sand in here and beat it down on top of this in the circle so that it will get down into the little nooks and crannies really well. I wish I could have made this tapered, but I don't know how to do that. If I could, it would have made it a lot easier to get everything out. So I don't know if I'm gonna time lapse this or bring you guys back when I'm done. You get to see. Alright, we're going to try and remove it this time after pounding all that sand in on top of it. So hopefully it's looking better. Feels rather loose, which I don't know if that's a good or bad sign. Hopefully it's a good one, because I don't want to do this again. Just trying to get the overhanging sand out of the way because this isn't straight, it's like curved, so I have to make it remove itself. Alright. There we go. That's not good though. Some of the sand stayed in the A and the R and the T. And, well, in the A here and over here, but I think there's enough in there that we'll be able to see it when we go to pour. See if I can fix any of this stuff. So, see right there. It came out, but you can still see it, so I'm hoping it'll be okay. If not, we'll have to figure out what to do to make that work. I might just have to mix the sand better, because it's not mixed very well. So, yeah, if this pour doesn't work out, I'm going to go ahead and mix the sand, and we'll try again. Let's go ahead and light up the forge. There it goes. Not burn eyebrows off this time. There we go. Here we go. Let's see how it goes. That looks pretty cool. Is that right temperature? Maybe it will not hold too much. Fingers crossed on that one. It's not too bad actually. Looking good. Looking very good. So I'll let it cool and get back to y'all when I'm done. All right, let's pull it out and get it quenched before I suffocate from all the smoke, because it's smoky in here. Oh. This is not good for breathing. Oh dear. Hey, it doesn't look bad. Doesn't look too bad at all. Wasn't even that hot, or it didn't have that much surface area. And I'm just quenching it in water. I wouldn't bother quenching this in oil. I don't know why you would quench something made of aluminum in oil. Take a look at that. It's still a little bit hot, but I think I'm happy with that. It's not perfect. You can't see the middle of that very well, but looks quite good for a first attempt, if I do say so myself. Let's see. I don't think I'll make another one, but we'll see.